Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this easy DIY. I've been wanting to do this floating shelf idea for a while now, so I finally decided to jump right in. So here it is. I hope you enjoy this. For this project, you're going to need a 2-foot piece of maple wood. I found this at Home Depot. Well, all of these supplies. You're going to need 2 dowels, wooden dowels, 2 drywall hooks and 2 Phillips screws, some sandpaper, and a drill set with a drill bit and a screwdriver attachment. You're also going to need 2 screw nuts, and those will fit into these Phillips screws. We're also going to be drilling some holes into these wooden dowels. The wooden dowel does come as one piece at the hardware store, so you're going to be needing to cut these down to about 7 inches in length. And then we're going to sand down both sides so that they're nice and smooth, and just go ahead and drill away. This is going to take a little bit of time, so just be patient and be sure to protect your hands. Try not to obviously hurt yourself. It is dangerous, so just be careful with that. You will need to drill a hole that is 2 inches deep, and this will allow for the Phillips screw to fit snugly inside. This is how we will attach the shelf to the wall through the drywall hooks, and it should hold up to 75 pounds just to be safe. So just keep inserting the Phillips screw into that wooden dowel to make sure that there is a 2-inch allowance and that it fits perfectly, so that we can get on to our next step. So now the fun part is to measure out your walls and make sure that everything is even. Drill your holes and then place your drywall hooks into the wall. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just basically have a hole there, and then you drill the screw into the wall until it is flat like that. Then you're going to take your Phillips screw and your nut and then string it through there, and that's how the wooden dowel is going to be snugly in place once we put it on, like so. There you have it, guys. There's the wooden shelf. I designed this thing just from scratch. I didn't know how this was gonna work, and I went back to Home Depot and just went through the aisles, tried to figure out what supplies I could use, and I am pleasantly surprised that this worked out. It's actually pretty sturdy. You don't want to put too many heavy objects on there, but my objects were a little bit on the heavier side. I just wanted to test it out, make sure that it would be sturdy, and it is. So there it is. I hope you enjoy this easy DIY and hope you get to try it out. This is actually in my bathroom, so I'm just putting some added touches, some dry roses that I picked out, and there I am so excited that I have a better view in my bathroom compared to before. If you enjoyed this DIY, please like this video, and if you want to come back for more DIYs and other videos, please subscribe to my channel, and feel free to comment below if you have any ideas or suggestions on future videos. I'd be happy to read them and consider doing those videos for you. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.